Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Today I'm just gonna do this interesting poof and ponytail hairstyle. So let's just go and get started. So first thing I need is brush, and I'm gonna brush my hair without any tangles and knots, and I'm gonna pick up a little hair in the front, and I'm gonna just do a back comb. So I'm gonna pick up a little more hair. I'm gonna do this back combing, and I'm gonna pull my hair back, and I'm just gonna pick up a little hair in the front to make it poof. So I'm just going to take, and I'm gonna put the sides behind my ears, and I'm gonna take this hair and I'm gonna try to poof it up, so like that. And I'm gonna take my comb, I'm gonna just like make it a little nicer looking. So this is how the poof looks like. Now I'm gonna take this butterfly clip and I'm gonna secure that. I've chosen this pink one just because I don't have the black one, so that's why. And that's it. This is the easiest poof. It only takes a minute, and this is it. You're done with the poof. This is how it looks like, really simple and easy. I think it's kind of huge for my face, but I wanted to do this tutorial, that's why I just made a really huge poof. But this is the end result. This is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna take this banana clip and I'm just gonna pull my hair in the back. I'm gonna put all my hair in the back, and I'm gonna use this banana clip, and I'm gonna just clip it. It actually instantly makes your ponytail really long, so that's why I like banana clips. This is how it looks like. This is the final product. I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me in the comments if you want to see more clutcher hairstyles or like ponytails, poofs and all. So I'll see you very soon next video. Have a great day, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.